Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be connected to the internet, and also you will need to be logged in into Apple ID account on the phone that is paired with your watch, so you can use the Apple Store on your Apple App Store on your watch. Once you have both things, we can continue, and now we can wake up the screen on our watch by tapping on it and then press the Chrome button to open the menu. And once you open the menu, look for the App Store icon, and once you find it, you can tap on it to open the App Store. And here look at the main page, and you can see different recommendations and categories. You can look for the app you would like to install. You can also search for something by tapping on search right here at the top and typing in something and then tapping on search. So look for something you want to install, and once you find it, you can see the previews of the apps. For example, we have the screenshots, the reviews, other details like what's new, so last updates and stuff like that. And after you decide to install the application, you can tap on the Get button. It will start downloading, and after it's done installing, you will be the Get button will change to basically open or uninstall, like this. And now you can open the application by tapping on it on the open button, or you can open the app menu and look for the icon of the app somewhere in the menu and then tap on it to open the application. And basically that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.